Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel GK with Prima. Let's learn few GK questions related to India covering history, geography, politics, economy, and culture. 1. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to equality? Options are A. Article 14, B. Article 19, C. Article 21, D. Article 25. Answer. Option A. Article 14. 2. Who was the first President of India? Options are A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer. Option B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 3. What is the capital of Mizoram? Options are A. Aizawl, B. Imphal, C. Kohama, D. Agartala. Answer. Option A. Aizawl. 4. The Indian Independence Act was passed in which year? Options are A. 1942, B. 1945, C. 1947, D. 1950. Answer. Option C. 1947. 5. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? Options are A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Kosi, D. Brahmaputra. Answer. Option C. Kosi. 6. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Options are A. Vikram Sarabhai, B. Homi Bhabha, C. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, D. Rakesh Sharma. Answer. Option C. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. 7. What is the national flower of India? Options are A. Rose, B. Lotus, C. Marigold, D. Jasmine. Answer. Option B. Lotus. 8. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Maharashtra, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer. Option A. Gujarat. 9. The first battle of Panipat was fought in which year? Options are A. 1526, B. 1556, C. 1761, D. 1857. Answer. Option A. 1526. 10. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Options are A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, C. Subramania Bharti, D. Sarojini Naidu. Answer. Option A. Rabindranath Tagore. 11. What is the total number of Lok Sabha seats in India? Options are A. 242, B. 350, C. 543, D. 600. Answer. Option C. 543. 12. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Options are A. Hyderabad, B. Bengaluru, C. Pune, D. Chennai. Answer. Option B. Bengaluru. 13. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Options are A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Pratibha Patil, D. Sushma Swaraj. Answer. Option B. Indira Gandhi. 14. The Chipko movement was associated with which of the following? Options are A. Wildlife conservation, B. Women's rights, C. Saving forests, D. Industrial development. Answer. Option C. Saving forests. 15. Which city is known as the Pink City of India? Options are A. Jaipur, B. Udaipur, C. Jodhpur, D. Jaisalmer. Answer. Option A. Jaipur. 16. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Options are A. Bhagat Singh, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Answer. Option B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 17. The Kudankulam nuclear power plant is located in which Indian state? Options are A. Karnataka, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Maharashtra, D. Rajasthan. Answer. Option B. Tamil Nadu. 18. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Options are A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Lord Mountbatten, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer. Option B. Lord Mountbatten. 19. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate as per Census 2011? Options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Himachal Pradesh. Answer. Option B. Kerala. 20. What is the currency of India? Options are A. Rupee, B. Taka, C. Dinar, D. Peso. Answer. Option A. Rupee. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to GK with Prima. Thanks for watching.